buried gun had been found. Mandela had buried the gun in an area beyond the chicken coops. The coops no longer exist, but were located in the vicinity of the resource center. The revelation stunned and surprised everyone, as nobody knew of its existence. From that day onwards, a search has ensued. By examining aerial photographs from the 1950s and 60s, a team of archaeologists identified a number of potential sites where the pistol might be buried. In an interview with Alistair Sparks, Mandela described how he had buried the pistol some 50 paces from the kitchen wall next to an oak tree. He went on to explain that they had dug a pit deep enough to ensure that a plough would not uncover the hidden cache, comprising of the pistol, 200 rounds of ammunition, and a khaki uniform that had been carefully wrapped up in a tin alloy and covered with a tin plate. In July 1962, Mandela returned to South Africa from military training in Addis Ababa. He was meant to be abroad for 6 months, but the ANC requested his urgent return to South Africa. Colonel Taddesse, who had lectured Mandela on matters of military science, arranged his flight to Khartoum. Before he left, Taddesse presented Mandela with a gift, an automatic pistol and 200 rounds of ammunition. As he made his way home, Mandela carried the pistol in a holster inside his jacket. The 200 rounds of heavy ammunition were wrapped around his waist. Arthur Goldreich, on coming home from work one day, was surprised to find Mandela at Lily's leave, as he had expected him to be away for 6 months. Mandela was still carrying the pistol. Goldreich recalled that when Mandela showed it to him, he recognized it as a Makarov pistol. He showed it to me when I welcomed him back. I went and talked to him, and then we walked out of his room and we walked up the field towards the main road. And when we were in the field, he took out what I assumed, or what looked to me to be an automatic weapon. It was quite modest in size, but it was certainly in my memory an automatic weapon, and he refused to allow me to hold it.